Vlogmas. Vlogmas is where it's at.
Vlogmas!
Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Okay, so Clay and I have never done Vlogmas ever.
I think Lauren made it up.
I did make it up. I did not make it up.
Alright, but we're doing Vlogmas. Vlogmas Lauren and Clay edition. Vlogmas Guam edition.
What?
We really want to emphasize how our December's going, what Christmas in Guam is like.
We'll show you all of our decorations.
All of our decorations.
We have been set up for Christmas since before Thanksgiving, I must
well
say.
before. I think it was like the beginning of November we set all this up. We set our tree.
We have everything.
Yeah, so today what we have planned is...
Nothing.
Yeah, we're going to go look at this equipment. I want to get scuba certified because it's like really cheap here. So I gotta get like gear, and I'm going to get some used gear right now. We're gonna check it out, and we're gonna check out that that car, that little cute Pajero thing.
Cool.
Oh, dude, I made coffee.
Oh, cool. Coffee hits different when it's Vlogmas.
Stop laughing so much. What was I? No, you can't understand what I was saying because I was laughing. So just don't do that. I love you, but don't do that.
Stop laughing! No laughing!
Just don't.
No! We're watching you! We have to keep a straight face. Forever and always.
Yeah, so come with us while we go check out this stuff and hopefully get some good deals today.
I hope we buy nothing.
That was good. Dude, this camera is fogging up. We just got back from meeting the guy on Facebook to get a couple scuba diving equipment stuff. We'll show you guys that haul shortly. Lauren's FaceTiming her mom right now. Oh, Lauren's calling me. She's calling me. Lauren's calling me. What are you doing?
Looking for the cat.
Lauren, how'd you get up there?
We forgot to say the first part of our day. Clay kind of let our friend's cat outside and it's been lost all day now. Or did.
It was an honest mistake. The door didn't close all the way and the cat's really sneaky. The cat can open a sliding door. He's a really smart cat.
Pumpkin!
Lauren, you're making me really nervous. I think you should get down. Just jump on my shoulders.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just jump right on.
I'm really scared. Okay. How?
I don't know, just jump on my shoulders.
Okay, wait, I can do this.
Perfect.
Okay.
If you dropped the camera, it would have thrown you over the wall.
Okay, so this is how we're doing it. Can you describe what the cat looked like?
I don't even remember. It was like white, black, and brown.
It was orange.
I saw on the gifts under the tree, Lauren put for one of my gifts to Clay from Pumpkin. And I was like, it's not gonna look good if we can't find her by Christmas.
Let's just get his leash and take him on a walk instead.
Okay.
Hank, come here.
Hank.
Hank.
Where's cute leash? This is adorable.
No matter what, we will find this cat. So we're back at the house, but still can't find the cat. Clay said he's gonna venture into the woods.
I'm gonna suit up and get real dirty for a second.
I feel really bad that the cat is not here yet. It is already about 2 o'clock, and this cat was missing at 2 a.m. So, Hank is out of breath from our walk. He will be staying here today. But Clay and I are suited up, all ready to go.
Alright, we're venturing deep into the woods like Bear Grylls. There's so much trash. Oh my.
There's so much trash.
An unbelievable amount of trash.
Pumpkin! There's so many bags of trash. cage?
I think it's a shopping cart.
Oh shoot, I think you're right. How does a shopping cart get in the middle of this wood? Pumpkin!
Did you get that on camera?
Okay.
That was ridiculous.
Pumpkin! That's a spider web. That's a spider web. Don't walk there.
That was so terrible.
Where did she come from? Oh my god!
We found
Where
her.
the fuck was she?
Zach told her.
I walked in our room and I heard.
You are kidding me! Margaret in the woods for you! Oh my god!
His ass fucking locked her in the closet.
Locked her in the closet, then blamed me for it. Everyone was shitting on me all morning. They were shitting on me so hard.
The door was literally open.
Oh my god! I saw her tail. I was like, what the heck? Oh my god! Hey guys, so Clay and I are back, and the cat is found, and we wanted to show everyone all the Christmas decorations. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night. Our first Vlogmas has been completed, and we're gonna do a taste test between the off-brand hot Cheetos or the hot Cheetos.
So my favorite are the normal Flamin' Hot Cheetos because I feel like it's what everybody's favorite is. But Lauren,
kinda like
for some reason,
off-brand.
likes the sketch off-brand. So we're gonna do a taste test, settle it once and for all. Right? You take one of each.
Well, I feel like you could tell the texture anyway.
No, you can't. Okay. And then try the left one.
I like that one.
You like that one?
Yep.
Okay. Try the left one.
Go.
You're looking at the camera, right?
No, my eyes are closed.
Well, you can probably open them because this is my taste test. Just
I
make
know,
sure.
but I don't have any hands to
No,
do it.
no, just like. Okay. I'm gonna try the left.
Okay.
Okay, I know this is the Chester because it tastes terrible and has whack texture.
I like them.
That was certainly the Chester. This is the good one.
Well, it didn't settle anything because I still like these and you still like those.
Yeah, and we also could tell right away because of the texture.
That's what I'm saying.
Not the taste.
This is a terrible taste test. Okay, well, good night, Vlogmas.
We'll see you guys tomorrow with some more. I don't know what we're getting into tomorrow, but
Who knows?
wherever the day takes us.